Back to the higher gardening. Trouble don't last always. So last video had the eating produce that everything's still going, you know what I'm saying? You see the digging of the hole here from the chipmunks, but pea plant still going strong. That pea plant dead. This patch, they came to the conclusion that this is not a good patch to grow food, so I'll just continue to put pots here. The microgreens still going. Damn chipmunks still being my shit. Microgreens still good. What I'm really happy about, sweet potato plant growing its leaves back. It'll be time to harvest either at the end of this month or beginning of middle December, depending on when they all turn yellow. Good growth too. Good growth. Very grateful, very grateful. You know what I'm saying? One on yellow already, but the growth is good. You know, trouble don't last always, so just gotta keep on and stay at it. You know what I'm saying? True.